Chrissy, and today I'm going to be doing a slime video. And this is in honor of my 12 days of Christmas, and this is day 8. So, let's get started. So today I'm making a winter wonderland slime. So, let's get started. Sorry about the table. Our table has like that piece that you can put in to make it bigger, and we did that for Thanksgiving, and it's really uneven. So I might even move my stuff closer. Which I moved in that far back because it felt normal. But because the table's big, it is kind of far. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna put some clear glue in my bowl. I'm gonna put half of this. No, I'm putting all of it because I'm not making 2 tones anymore. I was gonna make like 2 tones, but I have changed my mind. And I just realized I friggin' forgot something. So I'll go get it in a second. After I get as much glue as I can out of here. And I did wash my utensils because to be able to get a clear slime, a lot of people wash their utensils. I didn't used to, but I really think that's a good tip because a lot of my clear slimes tend to be kind of foggy and never really clear up. So I think that's a really good tip. So I'm gonna go get what I forgot, and I will be right back. Sorry about that. Okay, so the next thing you need is just a tiny bit of food coloring, and this is the food coloring I use in case you've never seen my videos. Don't mind my cat. Okay. I'm just gonna put 1 tiny drop. And this is gonna make it a really light yellow. I mean, light blue. Yeah, that's really light. You can't really see it just because my bowl is blue. So, I'm trying to give you a close-up of it. That's the best I could do. Where'd she go? Meh. I was looking for my cat. I don't know where she went. Okay, so that's it for the slime right now. But the best part comes with all the decoration. And I just freaking remember that I don't have my activator. I was not very prepared for this video. Oh well, I'll be back. Okay, so there's a little bit of glue left in here, so I'm just gonna squeeze it out. I always try to use as much glue as possible. Okay, I think we're good. When it starts making that noise, you know you're pretty good. Okay, I'm just gonna mix that in. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, so now for the activator. which I use Elmer's Magical Liquid. And I used to use my detergent, so that's still a tip if you can't find this or something. I did used to use my detergent, but the only reason why I don't anymore is because I ran out of, I didn't run out of it. It got powerful on me, and it was too powerful for the slime. So I've probably said this like 5,000 times, but there might be some new viewers out there, so I just like to throw that out there. Which I don't think I said that in my other slime video, so that's good. At least I didn't repeat it or something. But especially since this is a new series and stuff. I'm really excited for the series. It has been a bit stressful on me, just because I'm not used to doing them. So I'm just used to being like, okay, I'll make a video today and then uploading it that day. And not uploading it or needing it to be a specific time. But I think I'm gonna work it out, because even though I did say this is day 8, I actually have jumped a little bit ahead, but it doesn't matter. So long as I get videos up. Luckily, I have at least 5 of the first days recorded and ready to go. So, yay! And if you want more of the series, or if you can think of anything else that you want me to do with slime, or challenge ideas, or anything, just comment them out down below. And I know that lately comments have been disabled, but I have figured out how to unenable them. But yeah, because when I upload them, it asks whether this is made for kids or not, and I usually say yes because I'm a kid and it's supposed to be. But I figured out that if I say no, then it will actually let the comments. But it also asks if I want to restrict it, and I say no. So I figured that's good enough. And even if it is for kids, sometimes parents don't even want you to watch it. So I'm just I kind of want comments, so whatever, YouTube. Because I guess I might say some stuff that 5-year-olds don't need to hear, so I guess maybe it's not made for a kid. I don't know. And you just want to add a little bit at a time, which I'm kind of adding a lot at a time just because I kind of want to speed this process up, which I think it's actually getting pretty sped up than normal. These videos usually take a long time. So I'm kind of trying to speed it up for y'all and for myself. Okay, there we go. I was getting the slime off my spatula. Oh, that's a really pretty icy blue. Yes. That's exactly what I wanted. Well, I kind of didn't really have a specific idea, but that's definitely a good color for a winter slime, like an icy blue. Really doesn't take much food coloring sometimes, because it is for food, so I guess it wouldn't. This process is a workout, the activating process. Everything else is pretty easy. It's weird because lately I've been eating like a butt ton of like activator for some reason. I don't know why. I'm starting to get tired a little bit. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm looking off to the side, it's because I have this little table over here that I play with my slime on. Because this table, if I play with my slime on it, the slime will take stain off. So that ain't good. Yo, hush. Sometimes I kind of forget I'm like uploading video because I'm like so into what I'm doing. Sorry, I just have a song stuck in my head. I'm too young to fall in love. Why do you keep running through my brain? Don't tell me I'm wrong. Don't tell me what I feel. What I'm feeling is real. That probably made no sense. Probably because I only really know parts of the song. Big lines, people rushing to grow up before you know. Stop signs, denying. People telling me I'm gonna go slow. It's gonna hurt sometimes. No matter what you do. But I'm not gonna change my mind. Run to love. What do you keep in mind? Comment down below if you know who sings that song. Well, I think there's like multiple versions, but the version I'm singing is by a girl. If that gives any hints at all. Wait, no, hold on. Whoa. Sorry. The cat is somewhere where she doesn't need to be, and I was trying to get her off, but can't really do that in a second. Okay, so now I'm going to add sugar beads to this slime. Okay, so I have the sugar beads in my bowl. And for me, for some reason, it's really hard to find sugar beads. So if you know where I find them, please comment down below. I think probably people get them on like Etsy and stuff, but I don't know. Like I can find them, but they're always a tiny bag if you saw. Like they're always just this big. And that's really it. Because I see other things, but then it's like for slushy beads and not sugar beads. Sorry, some fell on the floor and I was trying to see where they went. Okay, this could do some more slushy beads, or sugar beads, which I guess it's gonna only be however the rest of these, because that's all I have, so. But I think that's pretty good. Probably people in the comments or people watching are like, more. I would do more, because it actually kind of feels like it might need more, but I can't do more. if the slime was smaller, it would probably be enough. Like this seems like enough for like this size slime. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the container, or well, however much can fit in the container. I hope most of it can at least. Okay, that needs to come off a little bit. I probably just literally took off the amount that I put back on. Oh well. I'm testing it out. Making sure I can close it good. Yeah, I can. Okay. Perfect. Now this is the slime before I do anything to it. I think it's really pretty. It's a little bit of a different color, like off, like not on the camera, at least what I can see on the camera. Like it's a little bit less bright, but oh well. So I have these. Oh, then they, sorry. I was looking for something and I didn't know where the heck it went. Okay, so I have some iridescent flakes for the top of it. Look, it's so pretty and iridescent. That is actually like really perfect for a winter wonderland slime. And I got some sequins in this box. So I'm gonna try to show you without like dumping it. There we go. I'll put some of the light blue ones on there. Trying to like keep them organized in the same spot. Okay, that's good. Now some of the white, since it is like a winter wonderland slime. Oops, I got a blue and a white. Or in the clear, I guess. I don't know if you noticed, but this box is rainbow order. Like I have my sequins in rainbow order. Rainbow. Organization. I don't know. Oh my goodness, that looks so pretty. I like even more pretty up close. And y'all see it up close. I do not like want to ruin this at all because this is gonna look so pretty. Luckily, I have some others. Okay, I am really proud of this. Luckily, I have some extra slime that I will play with for y'all on the, to show y'all everything, but this is really pretty. Just gonna say. I am like really proud of this, which I know I'm not some big slime maker, but I am really proud of this. Really, really proud of this. Okay, so here is the slime. It is really pretty, it's really textured and everything. It just looks so beautiful. And like if you see the iridescent flakes in the light, it just looks so beautiful. Okay, sorry about that. Dogs. someone came home. It was barking. So, yeah. Oh, well, I guess I should do it this way. Sorry. We're probably like so confused. So, yeah, here it is. It's so pretty. And I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to play with some of the slime. So here it is. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna try bubble this way. Oh man, it didn't work. Oh, it made a bubble, but y'all weren't able to see it. So let's see if I can try again. Oh yeah, there we go. And now, awesome bubble pops. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And hit the bell. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!